Hey guys, I want to share with you guys a few techniques right here with this Ford Flex. So I want to show you my technique how to save these moldings. They're the original ones and nobody has replaced it before and nobody has glued them in, so you can still save them. What I'm going to do right now is going to be hard to see, but as soon as I get it out, I'll show you what I was doing. So let me start by finding the clip. So this is a blue clip, and I have a little hook tool like this, and I'm pushing in on the bottom of the blue clip. Okay, first I push on the bottom and then I come around the back and pull towards me. Gotta wear safety glasses just to be safe. Once I have enough leverage that the clip is out of the hole, grab the molding from here, just come straight up, just like that. As you can see, I had already taken it out. I'm not going to reuse the molding because all the padding is gone. It's just it's fiberglass and it's completely gone, so I cleaned it out. But I'm not going to reuse them, even though I saved them, just because now when I have the padding. I have bad experience before where they have a lot of air noise coming in, so just so I don't have that problem, I'm going to replace them. But anyways, so once you, as you can see, all the clips were safe. You want these little grommets, you want to save the little grommets. If you do save them, to remove these clips, you just turn it counterclockwise or clockwise, it don't matter. Okay, so that's one technique on how to save these moldings, and you just slide it back in place and the molding's safe. Now this little corner molding right here, this clip likes to break because it's sometimes really hard to save. So instead of removing the clip, I let the clip there and just pull the rubber and undo it off the clip, and I leave the clip there. When I come back and reinstall it, just pull it, put the rubber around it and fit it back in place. The cowling, a lot of times these break, the tabs on the cowling if you just pull it up. So what I do, I go from the bottom like this when the cowling is in there, and I see like this with the tack puller, and just, you can see there's a little indentation there where I push on it with the tack puller like this, just push and lift it up from the back, from the bottom. You have to remove the clips first so you're able to do that, and as you can see, every single one is there. Sometimes if you just try to pull it from the front, you force it and it breaks. So I've been very successful this way. Same thing with the force exploder. So that's it, guys. I hope this is helpful to you guys. Alfredo from Alfredo's Auto Glass. All right, and this one, so what you do, you put this through here. Just be careful, you don't touch the glass, scratch the car, and just go behind the clip like that, and you go pull it down, and you just go around it. And that's it. Once it's in, just pull underneath and you could get all the sides in. And there it is. You save the clip. Little things like that, but you definitely want the clip on there. So now we just put the moldings back in. You always want to start on the bottom of the molding because it goes underneath the fender. So just remember to put this first and then line it up and push down. That's it. Guys, I almost forget. So I made it back to the shop and I remember about the molding. I said I was going to show you what I was doing and I forgot, but let me show you. So this is like the body of the car. This is what I'm going in between the molding and the body of the car. And what I'm doing, I'm going here, and as soon as I push this one, and since I'm plying up, it releases this side, and then from the back end, I go around it and I just pull towards me. Just make sure you don't have your face lined up like right next to you, because you could get hurt. So like have it somewhere you're down below so you won't get hurt. So that's just my recommendation, but you'll feel it. As soon as you push it up, it releases, and then you go on the back side and it releases, and then just slide it up. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys that I forgot. All right, thanks.